For the past 3-4 days now, I have received several comments on my videos, especially on X of Oginkere group coming to my comment section, ranting and complaining. Kai report, you are supporting Ngozi. I'm just quoting them the way they put it out there. You are supporting Ngozi, you are promoting USB government. Kai report, you are in the payroll of USB and all that. Actually, I'm used to this. Okay, so it's not like you're not gonna move me with that kind of allegation. So if you have said this for more than a year now, a year plus, what do you think I will feel when you keep on repeating the same thing? So I am used to that, okay? But that's not the only thing they said, because I'm making the video just to respond to them in a different way, okay? In a way that I believe if they still have any sense of responsibility in them, if they have anything that will make them to think, to be in their right, in the frame of right, right senses, like if they can be in their frame of right mind, like think like human being, if they still have anything to help them to become human being at all, this video may somehow help them. Okay, I'm not here to ban anybody. I just want to set the record straight. Now, like I told you, I'm not afraid of your accusation because I know myself. All right, so you can say everything you want to say, but that's not the only thing they said that made me to, okay, let me talk about this update. You see, when it comes to, because they always say, kind report, they mention one thing, they say one thing that USB has done, Ngozi has done, mention one thing. Even if you mention it, they will still come back again and say, mention one thing. But for the sake of our people, let me remind you that under USB, under her leadership, the USB United States of Biafra, identification card has not just represented USB, but have done marvelously well when it comes to rescuing our people that are without this ID card, they would have just been in Nigeria. Some would have maybe been in prison. People that have chance, that have what it takes to acquire that ID card, has benefited mightily, massively from that card. That you are not doing, you don't regard it, you have not gotten your own ID card, doesn't mean that it's not helping people. People are having their peace of mind through that ID card. As they are running 100. If I just want to be kind, because I would have said one, at least in thousands. But if you don't believe that, it's okay. You can actually ask people. But I don't want to pray. I don't want to say a prayer that may affect you, because I would have said that may that which will make may that which is supposed to make you to look for that ID card happen to you. I don't want to wish anybody bad, but don't think about it. People that are stranded in different parts of the world are acquiring the ID card to have a say, to live peacefully in their country of their residence. And you are somewhere making blind argument. It's not working to you. It does not mean that it's not working for other people. And that one aside, do you know the level of diplomatic engagement and movement they are making? That is not really through the way you expect it. It doesn't mean that they're not doing something. So calm down. Even if you want to show your hate, I understand. Hold your hate, but can you be real for some time? I know it's difficult for you to be real, let alone repeating it often. So please, let's be guided, okay? Then again, there's a new update, all right, that I would like us to discuss a little bit before we move forward. Sometimes we don't appreciate what we have until we lose it. Do you understand? That's the human nature anyway. But can we avoid being like that? Is it possible? Yes, of course, it is possible. So I want to let you know the latest, diplomatic update from Foreign Affairs, United States of Biafra Foreign Affairs Ministry. They dropped this update, and I think it's worth sharing. Please pardon me if I'm somehow, repeating myself, because I want us to understand something very, very important. It is not a child play. Fighting for freedom, for independence, or for recognition is not something that you can fight, especially when you are fighting that Nigeria is countering it. Nigeria is one of the most difficult countries in the continent of Africa to drag something with. They are filled with corrupt system. A system that can spend something that will shock even the spirit for them to acquire what they want. It is very, very easy to drag something with the Cameroonian government, Ghanaian government, other African countries than to do it with Nigeria. You must be very, very well grounded and well powerful to challenge. If you know, you know. Foreign Affairs, United States of Biafra, diplomatic update. So let's start from the beginning here. As you can see, this update from the United States of Biafra government, and they dropped this for immediate release, 6 June 2026, official diplomatic update. Notice of officials, institutional correspondence pursuant to the USB 2026 sovereign mandate and with reference to LATI 29 November 2024, USB Corporate Digital 2026-003 and USB Digital Sovereign 2026-0088. The government hereby issues this notice to formally record the transmission of designated institutional instruments, evidentiary materials, and sovereign documentation to competent international and European public authority. First, transmission to the World Trade Organization, WTO. The Office of the Mission Representative in Belgium confirms that official documentation has been transmitted to Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Director General of the World Trade Organization, WTO, Geneva. The submission included, among other materials, an institutional submission concerning accountability in relation to trade reputation matters. Repudiation matters. A directory of publicly accessible sovereign documents and institutional records, official gazettes, references, and related public instruments. Documentation concerning jurisdictional sovereignty and evidentiary reliance supporting the asserted legal nexus. Transmission to European Ombudsman. Okay, the office further confirmed the transmission of official documentation to the Office of the European Ombudsman. The submission include, among other material, a formal submission concerning alleged administrative maladministration and procedural deficiencies associated with the registry of the Court of Justice of European Union, and an indexed evidentiary appendix comprising supporting material, a directory of publicly accessible sovereign instruments and institutional records, a declaration concerning jurisdictional sovereignty and evidentiary reliance. This transmission forms part of the government's continued institutional engagement with relevant international and European public authorities, and are hereby entered into the official public record issued by Office of the Mission Representative, Belgium, Department of Foreign Affairs. Okay, this thing you are seeing here, because I saw DPM, she shared a video of Okonjo-Iweala dancing with, some cultural music or cultural, I think masquerade, something like that. At days, I think they called that at days. I've forgotten. So he was dancing and with people, Igbo culture and all that, and she shared it. You know what I mean? And that proved, her high level of understanding of where she come from, and her, dedication to our culture and what concerns us. People may feel like, of course, Yorubas may not, but they hate this kind of things. But the lady is not actually, answerable to mediocres. So she's doing what she can do, and she represents it very well. So that Gladys DPM had, I saw that post, I laughed, because who wouldn't love to see that kind of thing? DPM is not somebody that, nurses grudges or marries or if you do not provoke her. So Konjiwala, that the link the pass this message to her doesn't mean that it does not mean that she will, grab it. But you have to make a move. Let it be that the person is not responding to where you expected. Do you understand? Anyway, let me go to the comment section. Doreen is here. Our Doreen is here. Oh, nice to see your comment here. She said, our cabinet members, we are proud of you all. We hope in God and you all. We hope in God. We hope in God. We hope in God and you all. God will deliver his suffering people through all you were doing this job from their heart from their heart of hearts. Anointed heart. The anointed heart said USBG under the leadership of Dr. Ngozi with Dr. Ngozi or Ngozi Orab have been civil in seeking for recognition and peaceful exit from Nigeria. Keep up the good work. Her Excellency DPM of United States of Biafra, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. Now, Chuku, he said, you go wait forever. This guy is okay, people. He's one of those that normally ask me what Ngozi has done. So although she have access to this information, but he has access to this information, but you don't see him utilizing this information. But he preferred to talk about Ogenkere having handshake in Washington DC. Even though they said Ogenkere have claimed to become PM Samonekpa. Yes, we are still using the pictures of Simon. Why can't you put that of Ogenkere? You see, these people, they are irredeemable. The level of their sabotage is irredeemable. Only God can do something. God bless United States of Biafra government. That is from Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka said, God bless you. Keep deceiving the gullible Biafran scammer, tribe of Judah in Nigeria. This is people who don't understand anything. Until you announce hereby somebody recognized, they will shut up and they will. If you see their quietness, you will not believe that these are the same people ranting and condemning in the past. Biafra is here to stay. Another person. Okay. Bet on the best. Win on the this or the natural game. Anyway, make emotional around sell. No carry me yet. I don't understand. Let's watch as it unfold. It is unveiled. God bless United States of Biafra. Forward ever, backward never. I heard Betty Ford saying use that terms. Forward ever, backward never, backward never. I was like, she said it that now you don't go back. Somebody that just fall back. I don't have time for their videos now. Maybe later we're gonna talk about it. So I will show that, I will react on that in a live broadcast if I have time though, because there are many other things to talk about. God bless USB, always stepped up in the right direction. People are reacting to this, and of course, people are pleased, to read from DPM. Bam, said bam, ahead. So this is, a few reactions. So many of them I just decided to skip many. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't decide to skip many of them. But the truth of the matter is that people are not, regretting why DPM is in charge. They're not regretting. Only few who may have different opinion because of their selfish interest are the ones struggling to accept the fact that she's doing well. Anyway, I would like to hear from you. What is your take? Do you like it? What is your, if you're asked what has DPM done apart from these two things, what again do you think you should do? What again do you think you should say? I have many things to say, but let me read on the comment section. To be honest with you, people don't want to count the good things until they see the one they consider to be good. But those ones they are undermining, they don't understand that it's not even easy. Pastor Omewolunka, PM of Omewolunka, APM of Onekomewolunka. Apart from it, what I hate is when somebody is lying to me, pretend to be of my help, even though you are lying to me, and they want me to see you as my helper. That is the highest insult you can give me. I hate when people, try to play on my intelligence, most especially on some of those things that I can easily relate. Like, without you talking, I can tell you the answer to that question. But you don't want me to have my privilege to reason, to understand, identify things on my own. You want to corrupt my mindset. You want to sit on my brain. You want to be the one to, pressing my button. You want to press my button to the extent that I will become Mumu to you? No. That is why I always talk about, the fraud in Washington having handshake. It's not gonna help you. If you think it's gonna help you, let's see, we shall see. Because to be honest with you, it's not gonna help you. It is too open to the extent that my candle is marveled that people are still listening to them. Anyway, let me end it here. God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about all this course so far. Day one. I love, man.